It's a 2017 Nissan Pathfinder. Leave no child, nor boat, nor trailer behind in this Pathfinder, thanks to its comfortable seating for 7 and strong towing capability. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, rear parking sensors, doors and push-button start proximity key, heated steering wheel, V6 engine, hands-free liftgate, electronic shift on the fly, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Kelley Blue Book reports a large upward sloping grille and 2 large headlight housings convey toughness, but for the most part the latest Pathfinder projects a friendly image. Nissan, built for the human race. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At Nissan of Norfolk, we have a wide variety of new and used cars, Nissan incentives, service specials, and Nissan part savings. We're located in Norfolk, Virginia, and proudly serve the areas of Virginia Beach and Newport News.